Security and police waiting at the gates so that their loved ones or children to be released properly and endorsed to the community.
Poso, responsibility ng mga tropa ng mga mobile forces natin. Kanya sa Buanga City, Umaga Campus, at ngayon po,
So, nakita natin yung sa fourth floor, yung isang estudyante patay na, and then yung isa pumunta tayo sa fifth floor at nakita natin patay din. So upon observation and verification, confirmation from the PNP, the first victim sa fourth floor, tapos yung shooter pumunta sa fifth floor, and doon siya nag-discriminate. Dalawa lang biktima sir. Not it is a confirmed.
Walang sugatan.
May sugatan na siguro dito, pero yung mga nataranta yung mga estudyante, kaya nakita natin sa mga ambulansya may mga estudyante pa rin. So most likely sa kasi nila. So, safety po, safety. So na-declare din na walang pasok ang eskwelahan, at nandito naman yung mga authorities natin, yung PNP at saka yung local government official.
We recognize that this incident could cause a lot of deep concern and worry for our parents, for our families, for the guardians, for the students, your loved ones whom you've entrusted to us. Prior to this, our security team has been preparing even for simulation exercise, precisely because we understand the value of keeping everyone, our students and our personnel, safe. This is our primary objective, and that is why we are deeply saddened by this incident. So we are in the process of working with the police for us to be able to identify them so that we could communicate first to their loved ones.